If life were a game, what rules would you need to follow to win? If you don't know these rules, you'll be stuck on the same level forever. Here are 10 golden rules that will make you stronger, more successful, and happier. You can't progress in life without following them. Rule number 1. Have a clear goal. You can't win a game if you don't know where you're going. The same goes for life. If you don't have a goal, you'll wander aimlessly and get lost. Think big, set your target, and move towards it. Rule number 2. Start fast, don't fall behind. 3. Every game has a starting point. If you start too late, you'll miss out on opportunities. In life, starting early gives you a huge advantage. Learn, try, and take risks as soon as possible. Rule number 3. Keep growing, level up. In a game, you earn XP, experience points, to progress, right? In life, you must keep learning and improving. If you stay the same, others will surpass you. Rule number 4. Choose the right teammates. If you play with the wrong people, you'll lose. In life, surrounding yourself with negative people will hold you back. Stay close to winners. Build a strong team. Rule number 5. Don't waste your time. Time is limited in a game, and so it is in life. If you waste it on meaningless things, you won't reach your real goals. Be smart and set your priorities straight. Rule number 6. Use your resources wisely. If you waste money and energy in a game, you'll fail. In life, you must also manage your finances, time, and energy wisely. Choose your investments carefully. Rule number 7. Don't fear challenges. Fight. Every level in a game has new enemies. Life is the same. The strongest players go through the hardest battles. Don't give up. Keep fighting. Rule number 8. Don't miss rewards. Games have hidden rewards, and so does life. Sometimes opportunities appear, but you don't notice them. Stay sharp, grab them, and make the most of them. Rule number 9. Write your own story. Don't let others decide your fate. Choose your own path. Write your own story. If you don't, you'll end up being just a side character in someone else's script. Rule number 10. You don't know when the game ends, so enjoy it. We don't know how life will end. No one can predict when it's over, so play it fully, enjoy every moment, and make it count. Take action now. These are the most important rules for winning in life. If you follow them, you'll be one step closer to success and happiness. Which rule inspired you the most? Leave a comment, and don't forget, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. This journey is just getting started. See you in the next video.